DJI Agra's T50 Quad Sprinkler Package Installation and Operation Mode Change Tutorial. Here we will introduce the specific installation steps. The package contains 2 centrifugal spray lances, 2 front sprinkler composite cables, 2 U-shaped elbows, 2 T-shaped connector and one-way valve modules, 2 frame arm bellows hoses, 2 hose clamps, 4 M15 nuts, and 2 thumb nuts. The drone should be in the off state. Unfold and lock the frame arms. Remove the drone battery. Open the front shell cover. Disconnect the M1 M2 frame arm composite cable. Remove the side splitter cover and rubber sleeve. Remove the motor protective cover. Unscrew the screws on the ESC housing. Disconnect the ESC from the composite cable. Unscrew the screw of the frame arm in-place detector. Pull out the M1 M2 frame arm composite cable. Take out the front sprinkler composite cable. Thread the front sprinkler composite cable along the frame arm. Align the frame arm in-place detector with the slot. Tighten the screw. Tighten the ESC signal cable screws. Install the ESC housing and lock it with screws. Take the frame arm bellows hose. Install it into the frame arm. Bend the other end through the frame arm connector. Organize the rubber sleeve. And lock the side splitter cover. Press the front shell cover. Take the front centrifugal sprinkler, insert it into the slot beneath the motor. Make sure the wires and water hose enter the frame arm. And tighten the thumb nut. Use the U-shaped elbow to connect the water hoses. Connect the centrifugal sprinkler signal cable to the sprinkler composite cable port. Install the motor protective cover. Disconnect the bellows hose and signal cable. Remove the pesticide tank. Install the 50L pesticide tank. Firmly connect the spraying system cable. Install the protective rubber. Take the T-shaped connector and one-way valve module to connect the front and rear arm hoses. Power on and check for HMS errors. If there are errors, follow the HMS prompt to check for connection problems. Set the flow rate. Choose the number of operating sprinklers based on your needs. Conduct a spraying test. Thank you for watching.